Does a company need to pay CPF on allowances? In Singapore, whether a company needs to pay Central Provident Fund or CPF contributions on allowances depends on the type of allowance and how it is classified under CPF rules. Below is a general guideline. Allowances attracting CPF contributions. CPF contributions are generally payable on allowances that are considered part of an employee's wages. Examples include fixed monthly allowances such as transport or meal allowances paid monthly, shift or overtime allowances, cash incentives such as performance bonuses or commissions. It is important to note that if the allowance is consistent from month to month, that forms part of an employee's wages. For example, if an employee is given $50 meal allowance or $100 transport allowance every month, that is consistent from month to month and hence it is considered part of an employee's wages. This makes sense as otherwise companies can just claim that the monthly salaries paid are allowances and hence do not need to pay CPF contributions. Similarly, if an employee is given a bonus, for example, 1 month's bonus, then CPF will also need to be paid on that bonus. Allowances exempted from CPF contributions. CPF contributions are not required for allowances that are not considered wages. Examples include reimbursement of expenses such as transport or meal reimbursements that are substantiated with receipts. One-off payments such as token gifts for special occasions or long service awards subject to certain conditions. Genuine ex gratia payments such as voluntary gifts not tied to work performance. To sum up the key considerations, number 1, classification matters. If the allowance is regular and part of an employee's remuneration package, CPF contributions are typically required. Number 2, proof of reimbursement. Payments categorized as reimbursements must be substantiated to avoid CPF obligations. Number 3, check specific rules. Some allowances may have special treatment under CPF rules. For example, transport allowances can be exempt from CPF contributions if they meet specific criteria. If you have any queries regarding CPF contributions, you may contact the Raffles Corporate Services team at hello@rafflescorporateservices.com, and I'll see you in the next video.